Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic YK, and I am Yukta, and today we are going to see a white sauce pasta recipe. Now first we are going to boil our pasta. So to boil our pasta, into kadhai take 2 to 3 glasses of water. Into that 2 tablespoons oil and 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it, let the water comes to a boil, and when water comes to a boil you are going to add your pasta into it. Here I am using durum wheat's elbow pasta. It's healthy and it tastes so good. Now remember, you are going to stir your pasta just once at the starting, not while cooking, because it will make your pasta sticky. So while our pasta is getting cooked, we are going to cook our veggies first. So for the veggies part, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter into a pan. Let the butter melts first. Then you are going to add a jeera. So for the jeera, I'm using 1/4 tablespoons of jeera. Give it a good mix, and then after 20 or 30 seconds, we are going to add our chopped garlic into it. So here I'm taking 1.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic. We are going to saute it until it's golden brown, and while our garlics are getting cooked, you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I post a recipe every week. So now that our garlics have turned golden brown, we are going to add our veggies into it. So for the veggies, I'm using capsicum chopped, then some boiled corns, some carrots finely chopped, and lastly spring onions. Spring onions are optional, you can add it if you want to, but I'll recommend to add it because it tastes good. So mix your veggies, cook it for a while, and then we are going to add pinch of turmeric powder and pinch of red chili pepper. Give it a good mix and cook your veggies until it's done. So to check our pasta if it's done or not, just take one pasta onto a spoon, cut it with a knife. If it cuts perfectly, then it's done. Remove all the excess water and spread some cold water onto it. So for the main part, which is white sauce, take a kadhai, into that 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter again. Melt the butter. Into that 1 glass of milk. You can add 1.5 glass of milk if you want more sauce, but I'm using only 1 glass. Mix it. Into that I'm going to add salt as per the taste, black pepper 1 tablespoon. Again mix it, and now we are going to add our cornflour mixture. It is just cornflour and water. Give it a good mix, let it cook for a while, and into that cheese. So cheese is the most important part. I'm using 1/4 cup of cheese spread. Let the cheese melt into the milk. Cook for a while, and when it's done, you can add your veggies into it. So add all your cooked veggies into the white sauce you just made. Mix it. Let it come to boil for 20 to 30 seconds. Not more than that. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Again, mix it. Let it cook for 10 seconds or so. Sorry, not 10 minutes, 10 seconds or so. And then we are going to add our pasta into it. Add your pasta, mix it very neatly. Let the pasta soak all the sauce into it. Cook for another 1 minute, and then your pasta is ready to serve.